So in the next video, we'll be building the model. So in this, we have to make the data set ready to be given as an input to that model. Okay, so in this, whatever we'll be doing is removing irrelevant columns, encoding categorical variables. We have two categorical variables, that is geography and gender. We'll have to convert that into numerical variables. And then we have to scale the numerical variables. Then we have to split the data for training and testing. Okay, so let's see the code. So first the first function is remove irrelevant columns. So in this, we'll be removing row number, customer ID, and surname. So these three columns, axis is 1, axis equal to 1 is basically to represent that these are columns and not rows. So we'll be removing these three. And now we have encode categorical function. So in this, what we'll be doing is we'll be selecting the columns, that is geography and gender, which are categorical columns. We have to convert it into numerical columns. So we'll be using one-hot encoding to do this. So and then that is done. Okay, so now we have split data. So in split data, we'll be splitting the data set. So test size is 0.2 and random set is 42. So 80% of the data set is used for training and remaining 20% is used for testing. Random set is 42. It basically represents that the data which is used for training remains the same. It keeps shuffling, but it remains the same. Okay. So now we'll be dropping exited column from X. That is the input. And we'll be creating that as a separate output called Y. Because exited has either 0 or 1. That is called 1 is churn, 0 is not churn. So, and then we'll be splitting the data set into test and training. Now we have a function called scale features. So in this, basically the input is xtrain and xtest. So in this, we'll be using standard scaler. First, we'll take the xtrain. We'll try to scale it. We'll try to identify a pattern in that, and then we'll try to implement that to xtest. So we'll be trying to train the xtrain, and then we'll be doing that for the same for the xtest. Okay. So now we have the main function where we'll be giving the input, that is churnmodeling.csv, and then we have the functions remove irrelevant columns, encode categorical, and then test train split. So then we have the output will be displaying only the first 5 rows. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, so you can see we have 12 columns and 5 rows in the whatever is displayed. So credit score, age, tenure, balance, exited or not, is the customer from Germany or Spain, and then if his gender is male or female. So I'll submit this code. So you can see all the test cases have passed. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood. If you want to try this on your own, then head to the CodeChef platform and give this a try. And I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.